I'm going to Udaipur to shoot some videos and you are watching Suitcase Insider with SSBeauty. Let's go. Since it's a 2-day trip to Udaipur, I don't have to think too much about my clothing. I'll pick up 2 random t-shirts and a pair of pants and I'm good to go. In my life, nothing is planned. ऐसा नहीं है कि कभी try नहीं किया, but it didn't work. And because of this spontaneous lifestyle, I try to keep everything simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the most important thing about the entire packing is this men's grooming. I know तुम सब लोगों ने बहुत सारे वीडियोस देखे होंगे men's grooming के ऊपर. मेरे तो सब सर के ऊपर से जाते थे. But as I told you, I'll try to keep it simple because ना मेरे पास इतना टाइम है ना तुम्हारे पास. So let's get started with this. The first one is Plum face wash. Because of how much I have to travel and constantly shoot content, I use this cleanser from Plum to cleanse my face so that all the dirt and oil gets removed from my face. Then comes this moisturizer from Earthi, which I use to hydrate my skin and prevent it from drying out. It helps to maintain a healthier skin barrier and can improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moving on, I'm using this sunscreen from Plum, which helps my skin be protected from the harmful effects of the sun's UV rays. It's important to use broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30 and to reapply every 2 hours when you are outside, which mostly I am. Next up is shower gel. After traveling the entire day before I hit the sack, I like to take a nice relaxing bath. For that, I use this shower gel from Arcelia to cleanse my body. It removes all the dirt, sweat and makes me feel instantly refreshed. For my most prized possession, my hair. I use this shampoo from Earthi to clean my hair by removing dirt, oil and styling products. It also helps to hydrate my hair and improve its texture. Immediately after I have taken a shower, I apply this body lotion from Arcelia to lock in the moisture in my skin so that it doesn't dry out. And then I use this Xtenso hair serum. After shampoo, I use this hair serum to add that additional shine to my hair. I love this product since it tackles any sort of frizziness I have and makes my hair super soft. And lastly, this fragrance from Ajmal, because you should always smell good. Lastly and most importantly, I use this lip balm from Plum to keep my lips hydrated and soft.
And that's it. ये इतना सिंपल है. I think हर एक लड़की को ये करना चाहिए. It's very important. 6 steps है, बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता and ये सारे products बहुत ज़्यादा expensive भी नहीं होते. But it covers all the basic things जो एक grooming के अंदर आती है. So, as I promised, I kept it simple and easy to understand and I hope that you guys will follow it. Or just in case if you want कि मैं exactly क्या use करता हूँ, I'll put the link in the description. Go check it out.
And as I told you, we are going to Udaipur to shoot some videos. So what are we waiting for? Let's roll. Since Udaipur is 170 kilometers from my home, we need to put up some diesel in my car. And then we can start driving again. Okay, we are almost done here. Next stop is Udaipur. So for those of you who have been to Udaipur, तुम्हें तो पता ही है how stunning Udaipur is. And for those who haven't, क्या कर रहे हो यार? कभी आओ Udaipur and experience the beauty of this place. I'm 100% sure you guys gonna like it. Okay, so 1 hour is left before we reach Udaipur, and I think this is the right time to tell you guys more about this video, which we are going to film today, and it's called "Here's what you can get in a 1 lakh rupee hotel." नाम सुन के काफी exciting लग रहा है, right? मैं भी बहुत excited हूँ. Let's see how it goes, and hopefully I will have an amazing experience staying in that hotel.
Alright, we have reached our destination and this is where I'm going to take your leave. But उससे पहले let me put some sunscreen on all the body parts that is going to be exposed to the sun. And we are good to go.
Wait a second, before you all leave, go and subscribe to SSBeauty's channel if you want to see what's in the bag of your favorite creator and how do they manage their beauty routine. That's it from my side and I'll see you in my next adventure. Bye.